we are seeing that it is not only senior people but also youngsters who are graying fast, premature graying. So today, putting up 2 practices which will really help you to prevent premature graying and to delay graying for the senior people. Actually, I'm putting up 2 practices, but the 3rd practice, Shirsashan, is also recommended, but it is better you learn from an expert rather than seeing a video or reading about it. So, first one, the inverted pose is Sarvangasana. So, I put it in 3 parts because those who have not been practicing yoga may find it difficult to get into that pose straight away. So what you do for the first part is just lie down on your back, relax your whole body, fold your knees, clasp your legs a little below the knees, and then inhale and hold your knees with the support of your legs. Just come up and roll back and forth on your spine. So this is the first part. In the second part, what you do is stretch your legs out, lie down, and now take your arms at the back and with a push come up, touch your toes and go back, holding your toes, go right back. Initially, you may not be able to go right back, but whatever you can manage, you should do. And then in the 3rd part, when you're doing the second part, just as your legs are going up, prop up your legs with the support of your palms and your elbows. Your palms are resting just below the rib cage. Relax your feet, relax your legs. In the final pose, chin will be pressed against the stomach, against the chest. Hold for as long as you can. When you want to release, just bend your knees, lower your spine on the floor, straighten your legs, and just relax for some time to let your circulation come back to normal. So this is one practice, and then it is not only for postponing graying, but also for, it's a kind of anti-aging and also good for your brain. So the second is a pranayama. It is Anulom Vilom with Kumbhak. Kumbhak is when you retain and hold the breath inside. So 2 fingers at the eyebrow center. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Left hand in chin mudra, whole body relaxed. Then breathe in through your left nostril, counting to the rhythm of seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So for those who have no practice of pranayama, can start with even 4 to 6 seconds, that is okay. Those who have more capacity can go up to 8. It is all dependent on individual capacity. So let us do 6 seconds. Inhale, so you are counting mentally to the rhythm of seconds to 6 seconds, and then you close both nostrils and hold the inhalation inside for again 6 seconds, and then exhale through the right nostril for 6 seconds, inhale through the right, close both nostrils, hold the inhalation inside for the count of 6 seconds, and then exhale through the left nostril. This is one round. You start your second round. Again, inhale through left, hold, exhale through right, inhale through right, hold, exhale through left. So that is how you practice the Kumbhak practice, and you can keep increasing. If you start with 4, build it up to 6, 8, 10. The higher you go, the better. And then slowly, as you get comfortable with this, then you can start doing breath retention even after exhalation. So you're inhaling through left, holding, exhaling through right, and hold for equal number of count, and then inhale, hold, exhale, hold. So this is the pranayama with Kumbhak, and Kumbhak is now known even medically and scientifically to be an anti-aging process. So do these two practices, learn Sirsasana from an expert, and I think you will really not only postpone graying but also stay young longer. So enjoy, stay healthy, happy and young. Hari Om, that's all.